Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old and wise man named Ali. Ali was known for his simple yet profound stories that carried lessons of life. One day, a curious young boy named Hasan approached him, seeking guidance. Ali welcomed Hasan with a warm smile and began his tale. In the heart of our village, there lived a tiny sparrow named Ayla. Ayla loved to sing, and her melodic tunes brought joy to everyone who heard them. One day, as she perched on a branch, she noticed a group of ants working tirelessly to gather food for the winter. Curious, Ayla chirped, "Why do you work so hard when the sun is shining? Shouldn't you be enjoying the warmth?" The wise ant replied, "Dear Ayla, we gather today to prepare for tomorrow. Life is a journey of seasons, and we must be diligent in both sunshine and rain. Tomorrow's winter may bring challenges, but our hard work today ensures we have enough to sustain us through the cold." With this simple exchange, Hasan learned a valuable lesson from Ali's story. The old man spoke gently. "Dear Hasan, like Ayla and the ants, life is a melody of moments. Embrace the joy of today, but also prepare for the challenges that tomorrow may bring. Balance in all things, my child, and you will find wisdom in the rhythm of life." And so Hasan left Ali's presence with a heart full of gratitude and a newfound understanding of life's delicate dance. The village continued to echo with the timeless melodies of Ayla, and the industrious ants inspired everyone to appreciate the present while planning for the future.